Hi, I'm Hannah from TPAS Cymru.
And I'm Elizabeth Taylor from TPAS Cymru. Today, Welsh Government have launched their consultation summary for the WHQS 2023.
And this is what they found. They discovered that people want:
Number one, greater flexibility in their approach to achieving WHQS 2023, since a new build is completely different to a Victorian build. Number two, people want some more certainty because of the economic uncertainty. It will play into how successful WHQS 2023 will be in the long run. Bear in mind we are in a cost of living crisis.
Number three, there's the need for further guidance and clarity around funding and where it will come from. Number four, retrofit. We need to know and draw on case studies from programs like the Optimized Retrofit Program and other case studies. Number five, it wants a fabric-first approach to the standards implementation instead of further approaches that you might have heard of so far. Number six, to achieve net zero, we need to look at all of the housing stock in Wales, not just property by property.
Number seven, flooring. So the one and only 74% of all the respondents, so the whole sector, tenants, landlords, have all agreed that flooring should be put into all of the rooms, the staircases, and landings. So watch this space.